Okay, Tita, let's eat saging.
Maruya.
Maruya.
Sugar.
This one's my one.
Hang on! Good day mga tita. So today, magawa tayo ng saging. So we have here the isang sako ng saging. Nakabili kami. Uy! And we have here, na-slice ko na. Tapos may mga pang-color tayo dyan. Tapos nagawa kami ni ate ng ng butter niya na. So we'll start.
Hi.
So lagyan natin ng konting color para mag-yellow-yellow ng konti.
Can I mix it, please?
Ay, sus! Tingnan ako lang kayo. Tingnan mo.
How much food coloring are you supposed to use? Wixie.
And then little bit of
Vanilla extract.
kapag magluto si nanay ng maruya, ginaganyan, no? Parang pay-pay ba? But since ano siya, naka-steam na ito siya, hindi na masyado maganda. So, ganyan lang natin. Testing lang yan. Di ba nakaganyan siya, tita? So, itutusmaw na natin dito. Ilulunurin ba sa, butter niya. Ganyan. Tapos, alalayan mo ng alalayan mo siya ng kutsara na ganyan, oh.
Spread the butter.
Yan.
Banana covered.
Perfect.
What is the batter made out of?
Just the flour and corn flour.
Corn flour and water? All have to be together, or can a few of them be separate?
Oh my gosh!
I'm stressing out.
Okay, time na to, flip. Yan, perfect! Ano ba yan? Hilaw na, baby! Hilaw! Ako lang. Damo, hilabtan.
Sugar. Yummy. Asha, don't touch anymore.
Okay, tita, ready na ito. Ayan, oh, ganda. Ito na, coat ng sugar.
Yeah. I guess.
Next one. Oh, naguba.
You do it?
Mm.
That doesn't look quite ready yet.
Lagyan na natin siya ng sugar, tita.
Mama,
Hang on. Hilang. Oh, that's enough na gani. No? Oh, wow. That's enough.
Ma, you should have put it straight away when you got it out.
No, because in the oil. I don't like the oil, babe. Itong second.
Can I do it?
Ako lang bala?
Can I do the third one?
Ate!
Oh, man. This one's my one.
Hang on!
Is it almost ready? Almost. Okay, Tita, let's eat saging muria. Marui. I can't pronounce it.
Let's eat some maruya.
Maruya. I'm gonna eat this one. Okay, it's okay.
Oh, cheers sa maruya! Okay, let's eat.
Okay, you go first. Okay, now I remember what it tastes like now. 10 out of 10.
Ne? This is actually our first time here, tita. Kaya nagaluto kami nito before. Doon man yun sa city, sa Melbourne pa kami, no? So, ngayon, nakagawa na naman kami ulit. Very nice. I like it.
Okay, Tita, let's eat saging.
Maruya.
Maruya. Maruya.
Namit ba?
I like the sugar inside that one. Namit. I can't stop going down. Ooh, after you hit me. Listen to the crunch though, ready?
Oh! Perfect. Wow, nice. Ayan, tita, luto na yan siya. Ito, transfer na natin. One. Last one. Voila! So, budburan natin ang sugar. Here's some more!
It's a wait for me, okay?
Wait for her, ate, ha? Let me see how much you got there. Hurry up, Close my... Hurry up, Ashit. We gonna eat now. Smile.
But mine's not coating in sugar. It's really hot a lot. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. That's why there's a thing called a fork. Can you put this with a bit of jackfruit?
No. Gamit.
Sarap.
Sarap, be? Sarap, be?
Yummy kayo.
Yummy kayo.
Sige. Ma, what did this come from again? Philippines.
Philippines.
This comes from Philippines? Watch.